Alright everyone, welcome back to a little Two Spanners. First off, I'm going to give a little update on what's been going on with me personally, and then obviously we're going to get on with the Corsa video. So recently we haven't put many videos out just because Lewis has been busy, so he hasn't had time to edit, and also I've been suffering with my mental health lately, which I thought I had control of. I ended up having a lot of anxiety attacks, which made me end up in hospital a few times just because I couldn't control them. Thankfully, I've now seen a counsellor. We're working through things, getting I don't know how to put it, giving me tools to help me control my anxiety. If anyone is suffering out there though, I would suggest going and getting help, and don't bottle it all up like most of us do, just because it can get really bad, and for some people it can be too late. Yes, the Corsa has took a step back due to me not being able to really stay at work for the past month or so. Thankfully, still got my job. Boss was quite understanding. I think that's about it really. So what we're gonna do is just have a little walk around the Corsa, tell you where we're at with it, how we can, well, where I'm going to move forward with it. And hopefully, before Christmas, we'll have it painted, ready for the shows next year. So let's just get to it. So the Corsa is just covered in dust. It's just been sat here doing a whole load of sweet nothing. Glass still isn't cut out. To be fair, our new guy, Niall, has started to cut this side out. We took all the glass out. So I think he's run out of cheese wire. That's why we haven't got the rear screen out and the front screen out. But all the glass is coming out because I don't want masking edges everywhere. So what am I doing today? Well, first off, we're going to rub this down, get the door handle and glass fitted and going up and down correctly. We're going to get the rear bumper off, get that all prepped up. I'm going to mask up where I need to prime again, which will be the rear arches, the tailgate. The doors are going to go at the top to the booth. Now I have moved forward with some of it. Front wings have been primed and rubbed down. My door mirrors are done. My little fog lamp covers are done. All the TRC splitters are all rubbed down, ready to be wet on wet and painted. Haven't quite got round to buying a new bonnet yet. So I think what we're going to do first is get this door off, and we'll time lapse me rubbing this down and getting it back on, and then we'll go from there. So it's been a while since I've been filming, but anyway, it's rubbed down. I forgot to click play as per usual because I'm a soft shite. But so what I've done is went over with 80, just take the top layer off, then 120, then I've put black aerosol over it, and then I've 180'd it just to make sure there's no bits. But as you can see, it's a little slight low spot there, but you can't actually feel it when you rub your hand across it. So I'm hoping primer will get rid of that. So that is that door done. I've just got to try the handle back in and get the glass going up and down. So I'm going to drop this back on the car, going to get the handle bolted in, going to get the glass back in, and then I'll get back to you. So door handling, glass in. Hopefully we get a little demonstration of this working. There we go. There we have it. Another door complete, so I'm going to get this off now, strip it all out. So I've just prepped the bumper off camera. We've 320'd the filler work just around the edge of it, and 500 the whole bumper. Then used a bit of grey scotch just to get the bits I couldn't get. I've also stripped out that door completely over there.
Right, it's a steady away, not any like huge exciting stuff to sort of talk about, but it is actually really big steps forward. So some primer's going to go on this car very, very soon. Hopefully the last bit before some paint. Glass is out on this side, on the driver's side. Passenger side's got to come out. Tailgate's now stripped off. After we've done a bit of priming and stuff, we'll start prepping this area. You can see some bits and bobs in the boot. Waiting for the glass to be taken out on this tailgate here, but everything that can be done other than that is pretty much done. There is going to be a new bonnet, so that hasn't really been touched yet. Yeah, so we are making steady progress. We had to have a bit of a break for a while. Family stuff, busy, lots of things going on, and the world's a bit funny at the minute, isn't it? So it's forcing us to do things that we wouldn't usually do. But we're back on it. Should get some nice steady content out now, and yeah, making some decent headway. I think we'll have probably a few videos in a row on the Corsa, and then we've got another video coming up on the Mini not too distant future as well. So we hope you're enjoying the content. I hope you're happy to have us back. We're certainly happy to be back, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and sub.